Good day everyone, this is your TLE-ICT teacher, Teacher Alvin. Today's video, we will discuss about analyzing information using ICT, most especially Spreadsheet. Get your ballpen and your notebook and try to take down notes all the important details about the topic. Let's go! Analyzing information using ICT, functions and formulas in an electronic spreadsheets tool to perform advanced calculation on numerical data. Objectives of the lesson: define an electronic spreadsheet, identify function and formulas found in Excel, give the symbols of operations used in Excel, use functions and formulas in an electronic spreadsheet tool to perform advanced calculations on numerical data. Let's be informed, an electronic spreadsheet application program is designed to perform basic mathematical and arithmetic operation. MS Excel is one example of the most commonly used computerized worksheet. It is widely used in accounting and financial applications, statistics, engineering calculations, as well as in analyzing data. Spreadsheets are designed with functions and formulas that will make calculating numerical data easier and convenient for you. Using formulas and functions will help you increase the accuracy of your calculations while decreasing the amount of time you need to spend in Excel. Functions are calculations that return a result. To create and enter functions, always start with an equal sign. Without it, Excel will not calculate a result. The inputs in functions are called arguments. Arguments can be in a form of numbers, cell references, or text. There are hundreds of functions found in Excel. All this can be accessed using either of the following methods. Click the Insert Function button FX from the left side of Formulas tab, or use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus M plus F. There are plenty of preset formulas that you can use in Excel, as you can see on your screen. Let us choose statistical, then average. But first, you need to have a data in your Excel. Let's say you are going to get your average in your 5 quizzes. Cell A1 is the title, cell A2 to A6, quiz 1 to 5. Cell B1 to B6, grades in each quizzes. Average will be in cell B7. If you follow the steps, this will show in your screen. If you follow the steps, this will show in your screen. If you click OK, you will get the average in cell B7. Take note, A, B, C are the column in your Excel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the rows in your Excel. This time, let me show you on how to use Microsoft Excel electronic spreadsheet using my computer. Let's go! First, in your computer, open the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Click FX formula. There are plenty of preset formulas that you can use in Excel. Choose statistical, then average. Click OK. Input your data. If you follow the steps, this will show you in your screen. If you click OK, you will get the average in cells B7. And that's it. Now you have your average in your quizzes. A chart is a visual representation of data in worksheet of the spreadsheet program. It makes it easy to study and interpret data. There are different categories of functions, some of which are the following: mathematical, These include mathematical functional such as average, sum, etc. Date and time. These are concerned with the date and time such as date value that converts date written in text to numbers. Logical. These are used whether arguments, text, or values are true or not depending on the set standard. Lookup reference. These functions are used when looking for an entry to value in the spreadsheet. Below are some examples of the commonly used functions. Formulas, on the other hand, are combinations of functions, operands, and operators. These are used when you are manually calculating. For example, you could put your hanging organizer budget into a formula like this. Remaining cash equals total cost of materials minus labor. Input the formula in Excel equals 82 minus 30, then press enter. The answer is 52, which is the remaining cash for your hanging organizer project. Let's answer this. Let's remember, the electronic spreadsheet software is used to create and produce calculated data needed by individuals and businesses. The spreadsheet is designed with functions and formulas that will make calculating numerical data easier and convenient for you. An Excel functions always begins with an equal sign. Formulas, on the other hand, are used like when you are manually calculating. Let's do together. A. Create an Excel file for expenses below. Using the formulas and functions discussed, calculate the following. B. Write true on the line if the statement is correct and false if it is not. Assignment. Compute the total sales of a fast food store using Microsoft Excel. Good luck, children! Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope that my video give you a lot of information about spreadsheet. Adios, amigos!